Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on the Reset option, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap, and here we've got the info that your device will reset all the settings except the security settings, language ones, and accounts, personal data, and the settings for downloaded apps. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock, so the pattern, PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got also the info that this operation actually cannot be undone, so the settings and the customization cannot be recovered, and to apply the new settings your phone will be restarted. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset, and as you can see we've got the info that we have to wait, and after that simply your device will black out and it will be reset. So after turning it on, all of the new settings will be applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset all the settings in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.